Welcome from Lapland. I'm joking. Hi, my name is Veganus and this is Caprice, 19-foot sailing boat what I'm restoring. Thanks for watching. And today we will try rebed these things, as there are potential leaks there all around. I'm gonna do the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll see what it's like. As we can see, from there to there, it's quite damp and wet. So what I'm gonna do, I try and do it and rebed it. Probably we can't do all of them. This other side. Well, that's one there. Not sure what's going on in here, but there's just one screw. That was supposed to be 2. Anyway, let's do it. I think we're gonna this cable loosen up. This thing. I don't think we're gonna film this because I don't need to do one side and see what it's like. Obviously, it's not one person job. I think kids are 2 people. There's someone who needs to hold the spanner from other side, but hey, I've done it before. I'll see. Right, so we got this. We got this. With there. Put the tool. Put the weight. Stop all the spin. Hopefully it comes out. The hell is out. Anyway, I lost the washer. So we got one out. We do the same as the other one. So we got another out. What is that? I'm not 100%. I doubt we're gonna use this nuts and bolts. We'll see. We can pull this again. We need them super tool. That. Just annoying going in and out all the time. Right, we got one more out. I'm genius, yeah. So we got one more out. There we go. We're gonna repeat. And then there. So we got this one there. There we go. Well, this is not very good. And looks like nuts is not stainless steel. So we got out this side and this side. Make sure it's nice and clean underneath. Something like that. Oops. So this is a little bit different than the other one. Clean up. It's not bad, not bad. And same to the other side. And we're gonna clean this surface and clean this, and we're laughing. Got G10, like fiberglass or whatever backing plate gonna be in the boat. I'm gonna make 4 of them, and do that. Result. We're gonna drill the holes. Times 4. Percent which drill bit is the best. That polish, not sure it's a little bit wonky, but oh well. That polish, I got it back in plate, nuts and bolts. Right, we got these. My plan was, are they different size, same size? Oh yeah, I think they're same size. Yeah, it is. Maybe just different, either, whatever. Right, we got one. So we're sending here. We're sending here. Washer. Either that. And how it's called? Nut. Self-locking, yeah. So that should be pretty much it. Obviously we're gonna, what else we're gonna put? Butane, whatever, like a rubber thing, and a sandwich together. Should be right. Let's do it. Certainly it sticks together. This is how we're gonna do. And shove this in the middle and I squeeze out something like that. And I stick that. And then, do you need water on the top or not? Don't know. I'm sure it's gonna press it down. No way anything's gonna come in. Right, this is there. So we got there. I'm gonna put this plate on. Do I need to put more thing on? I might put some on there. butane to double sandwich it. Right, over there. I like this stuff. I like Play-Doh. Anyway, it's in there and there. Got washer. And there. Washer. And there. Right, let's see. Right, one done. See this squeezing out? What does that mean? Seal. There's one more. Push that there. Right. Well, they're done now. And we'll see if any leakage gonna come or not. But at least we know another 8 holes sealed, and definitely not gonna come. Stainless steel. Easy as that. All sealed up. Didn't knew what was coming out. That's fine. So we're gonna tidy up. I'm gonna leave this for now for winter's better maybe seal, but we're gonna cut it off. And yeah, well, at least we know now is no water gonna come there and there. And we'll do the front and back. Thanks for watching. If you got any advice, leave comment below. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.